The Pedestrian Protection feature performs computations on the reference curves, impact points, and designated areas for head and leg impacts at the front of the vehicle. This process adheres to the standards outlined in ECE-R 127 and Euro NCAP regulations. In this example, reference curves for wraparound distance are calculated and projected onto the bonnet and windshield. These curves define the different head impact areas for children and adults. To start, the model needs to be opened in Lightbox 3D. After switching to the LiteCar perspective, essential base data is specified. This step has already been completed in the provided example. The pedestrian protection check is then incorporated, with various standards such as Euro NCAP version 8.4 being available. Multiple wraparound distance curves, as well as bumper and grid elements, can be selected. For accurate curve positioning, specific geometry must be chosen. If something is missing, a yellow indicator is displayed in the tree. In this scenario, it appears that the corner reference point calculation is essential for the computation. Once activated, the curves and grid can be generated. After calculation, the result can be saved in either XML or JT format. The JT file is compatible with other CAD systems, such as NX, enabling seamless importation for further analysis and design processes. Visit technia.com for more information.